Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Smartsheet on documents. This is a fantastic way to share your spreadsheets and data with others, allowing them to view or even edit your work directly from another platform without needing to switch between multiple tabs or applications. Let's start by heading over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your workspace where all your sheets are stored. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, take a moment to browse through your files and locate the specific sheet you want to embed. This could be a project tracker, a budget sheet, or any other document you've created. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open it up. Now that your sheet has loaded, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll need to find and click on the Publish option. This button is your gateway to sharing your sheet with others in various formats. Clicking it will reveal the Publish Options menu, which gives you control over how your sheet can be accessed. Here's something important you need to know before proceeding. Getting an embedded code from Smartsheet requires an upgraded plan, so this feature isn't available on free trial accounts. If you're still on a trial version, you'll need to upgrade your subscription to access this functionality. However, if your plan is already upgraded, you're all set to continue. With the Publish options now visible, you'll see several choices available to you. These include read-only HTML, read-only full, and edit by anyone. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how you want others to interact with your sheet. For instance, read-only HTML provides a simple embedded view, while edit by anyone allows full editing permissions. Select the option that best fits your needs by clicking Choose Next to your preferred format. Once you've made your selection, Smartsheet will generate a URL link for your sheet. This link is what you'll use to embed the sheet into other documents or platforms. Simply copy this URL so you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in a website, a shared document, or any other platform that supports embedded content. And there you have it, you've successfully created an embeddable link for your Smartsheet document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.